It actually smells like somebody's burning trash in your backyard. I mean, it's that bad.
If you've been around South Lee County, you have probably smelled this smoldering mess. For 2.5 days now, mulch piles at MW Horticulture have been burning, and there's no end in sight. Thanks for staying up late with us tonight. I'm Kyla Gaylor.
And I'm Peter Bush. This plume of smoke is starting to impact the health of people who live around the fire. NBC2's Gage Goulding is on the front line live tonight at the plant near US 41 in Alico, getting you answers on the side effects.
Peter, Kyla, it all comes down to which way is the wind blowing. It's as simple as that, because where that wind blows, the smoke goes. And take a look right now. You can see the wind is blowing kind of easterly, a little bit northeasterly. And as you look even farther over, you can see that's directly where the firefighters are. This wind blowing right at them, man, it goes right into your eyes. And for some, it makes it hard to just get that deep breath of full air.
You've seen the smoke, and heck, you might have even smelled it. But no one is closer to the toxic fumes than firefighters on the front line, face to face with the flames.
Firefighters took us right to the front line of their battle earlier this evening, where the wind it sometimes plays to their disadvantage. The water from the tower guns and the smoke blowing right their direction, stinging their eyes and certainly making it difficult to breathe.
Firefighters are trained to deal with smoke. People that live at the Fort Myers RV park, well, they aren't.
Well, it actually smells like somebody's burning trash in your backyard. I mean, it's that bad.
Total living hell.
Yeah.
It's total hell.
The piles of mulch have been burning for 60+ hours now. Many of those hours, the harmful smoke has traveled right from the MW horticultural plant and into the park.
You can get an instant headache off of it.
It makes it harder to breathe. I can feel it.
Being exposed to pollutants in the air, including a fire such as this one, is going to be detrimental to your health.
Lee Health Dr. Shim Kapadia says people with underlying health conditions like asthma, COPD, and other respiratory issues are much more likely to have a tough time breathing.
These irritants in the smoke can cause exacerbation of your underlying medical conditions.
Earlier this year, over 270 people at the RV park signed a petition. It was sent to the Department of Environmental Protection with their concerns about the facility. Their fear? Exactly what's happening right now, a major fire putting their health at risk and possibly causing long-term damage in the years to come.
It's always a possibility. You never know until years down the road. They should step up to the plate. They should be controlling their smoke and their ash.
The residents at the park say they just want this plant to operate legally and without all these fires. And you can see tonight they are burning, and the smoke and the ash, like he just said, it's flying all over the place. In the meantime, Peter, Kyla, we've seen firefighters out here wearing everything from respirator masks to even eye protection, because whenever this smoke comes their way, it's like sitting right in front of a campfire. You're getting the full effect right in the eyes, and it just makes it really tough to breathe. We're live in San Carlos Park tonight, Gage Goulding, NBC2.